Hey, so I'll be making a short tutorial on how to stream and capture with Tony Hawk's Underground Pro. And for that, what you need is OBS Studio, and you get OBS Studio from this site, obsproject.com/download, and just download the installer for whatever platform you use. I would recommend using OBS Studio over any other recording software because it's pretty versatile and also easy to set up, and it's completely free and open source, mostly open source. So this will be a very handy tool to record and also stream at the same time. So if you've downloaded OBS Studio, what you also need if you want to stream is a Twitch account. And I'll be going through the details here in a second on how to set up your OBS so you can stream first of all. So when you download OBS, it comes pretty much preset for streaming. So if you go into these settings, all these options you see here are pretty much set up so you can jump right in. The only thing that you want to change is an output. You might want to adjust the video bitrate to whatever upload performance you have. If you're just recording and not streaming, I recommend putting this bitrate up a lot higher, like 5,000 or like 4,000 are pretty good bitrates for recording. When you're streaming, the bitrate is influenced by your upload rate, so I guess most people should be fine streaming at 2,000 to 2,500. Makes the stream look decent enough for Underground Pro, and it should be fine to stream. You also want to change your recording path if you're recording a local file, but that's pretty much it. For this. Also the format might be important if you want to edit your files, but yeah. So all of this is pretty self-explanatory. One thing I want to mention but not go into detail, you can enable a replay buffer. This lets you record a certain amount of footage constantly, and then pressing that button like a hotkey that you have to set up here in the start replay buffer and stop replay buffer hotkeys will allow you to record the last 20 seconds or like the last 2 minutes. And so this will let you record footage without having to record manually a long, recording. So this might be handy to look into if you're not planning on doing some prof, or like not planning on doing like a set recording, but you just plan on playing, and then if something cool happens, you can press a hotkey and the last 2 minutes will be automatically saved, or however much you want. But that's a little bit more advanced. So let's go back into these basic settings. Anything here is just preference stuff, but all of this is pretty much optional, I'd say. The only thing that you might want to set is that you automatically record local files when you're streaming. That might be handy if your stream is stuttering or your stream goes offline. But the main thing you have to worry about is this side right here. So what you want to do is you want to select stream services and pick the stream service you're streaming to. The most popular ones are up here: Twitch, YouTube Gaming, Smashcast, which was formerly Hitbox, and Mixer.com, which was I forgot, Beam. So yeah, so these are pretty much your main options. So we'll go through Twitch in a second. So what you need, like all you need here is select your server. I would recommend selecting the closest to your location. Auto should be okay, but just selecting the closest one doesn't hurt. And then what you need to do is you go over here on your Twitch page, Twitch TV, then your username, and then /dashboard, and your dashboard will look like this, and you can change pretty much anything your stream needs right in this dashboard, which is the title, the game, Don't worry about community, you can pick a community and more details. You might want to go into your account settings and they're up here actually. Your account settings, and then set up everything you need for your stream to personal preference. But the only thing that you really need is going to settings and then stream key. Oh yeah, and also you might want to store past broadcasts. That's kind of handy because then you can rewatch your streams. But what you need for streaming is your stream key. You go here, click on stream key and show key, and then click I understand, and this is your stream key right here. So you want to copy this and not click this key. If you click this, it will just rehash your key. And I'll be doing this after, so there's no reason to try to get my stream key here. But yeah, so all you need to do is grab this key right here and then just copy paste it in here. As you can see, it's the same key. Apply, okay. What you need to do now is capture the game. I personally prefer to run the game in windowed mode, so if you just launch the game right here, we have the game running in the windowed mode in the background, and we click on our scene. We can create multiple scenes here, and in studio mode you can change in between scenes, but that's a little bit more advanced. All you need to do for recording or streaming is click on sources, add, and then select window capture, create new, and it should automatically go into like the front window. So if you don't have OBS overlaid, it will automatically pick Thug Bro. But I would just go in here and select Thug Bro, and yeah, you have your scene in. So as you can see, you can adjust the stream layout here. You can rescale your game depending on your resolution. It might start in a smaller window. The basic keybinds here: holding shift allows you to freely transform it while grabbing the corner or the side. It's kind of handy. And if you hold left alt, you can rescale the size of the window like this. Those are the two main options you need. So because I'm in a smaller window, I would use stretch in this case. It doesn't really matter, it doesn't hurt that much. If you click on this plus sign down here, you can add images, layout, text, whatever. That's to your own preference. Make your stream look pretty. But then if you're ready to start streaming, you click start streaming and you'll automatically stream to your channel. And in the bottom you'll see your CPU usage. That's kind of important. Keep an eye on that. If your CPU usage goes up, you might want to change your bitrate, might change your compression mode, and also, you know, mess around with it a little bit so your CPU usage goes down. If your CPU usage goes too high, you might drop frames. Dropping frames means like your stream is skipping. And then the other thing you need to keep an eye on is your bitrate. The actual upload is down here. It's kilobit per second, and so this is your value that you set for your bitrate. So I'm streaming on like 2500 bitrate right now, so my KBS is around 2500, a little bit higher, and it's stable, so it doesn't drop suddenly and the screen square doesn't go red. So as long as this stays this color and like this bitrate stays stable, I can stream at this bitrate. If you have slower upload, you might want to go back and lower the bitrate. And that's pretty much all. And then you can stop streaming, start recording, and that's all you need to do, really. I hope that helped. I hope that helps capturing the game for some people. Makes it a little bit easier. Yep, that's it.